As we talk about the Grease Co-op program in the City of Tempe, we often think of the environment as everything above ground. And truly, a lot of it goes down below the ground, and specifically with our systems, our water systems, our sewer systems, and how that grease affects our public works system.
Tempe's program really is a 360-degree win. It gives Tempe the certainty it needs to make sure that it's complying with its obligations under the permits that my agency issues. It gives the restaurants a win in that they are assured that the waste that they're generating is going to the proper place and eventually may even be used as a renewable energy source, which is a fantastic opportunity.
The Tempe Grease Cooperative, it's not only the first in the valley, the first in the state, it's the first in the nation. It's a very innovative way for a city to take care of its fat oils and grease and maintain its infrastructure.
The Grease Cooperative is a perfect match to my business model, as we are a very green, local bore business. And the Grease Cooperative is very strong because it provides that same strength and healthy green options.
Those grease traps, everything that goes in there, all of our waste, it's very important for us to manage it and make sure that we're doing it properly and safely. So with an opportunity to pair up with the Tempe Co-op, it allowed us to save some money and do the right thing at the same time.
And it was really, really easy to make the transition. So it was easy to do, it was a no-brainer, and our price stayed almost the same, and it's perfect.
Here's an opportunity for the first time in a long time that we've had a great cooperative effort in this particular area with the city to do something, to make an effective change that will not only save us money, provide a better overall environment above and below the ground to help our city.
I think it's pretty rare in the restaurant business for us to work together to get buying discounts. It's not something that currently exists. To the extent the city can lump us all together and get a bulk buying discount from our vendors just helps our bottom line out.
I like a good value as long as the quality's there, and the quality is definitely there.
The difference in service that we're getting is night and day.
What we've had before compared to now with the co-op, it's totally comparable, if not even a little bit better, because they're trying to impress the city.
So by dealing directly with the contractors and removing the need for the restaurants to deal with the contractors directly, you're actually making sure that the quality of the activities that are being offered by the contractor are meeting the City of Tempe's expectations from a regulatory point of view.
It'd be fantastic to have the city not only manage the process, but manage the people that are ultimately responsible for cleaning and maintaining the grease traps. Because like I said, if it's not done correctly or done well, it's a real problem. So I think it'd be an absolute benefit to have the city take that off our plate.
Working with the city as an advocate instead of with the city as a regulator is far easier on my peace of mind, because now if something does go wrong and something happens in the sewers, it is not our fault. We can work together with the city.
I've had plumbing backups, I've had sewer smells that caused me to close, I've had plumbing backups that have caused me to close, I've had ongoing sewer odors that caused me to close a restaurant. I mean, it's a pretty serious problem if it's not managed correctly.
But the best way of avoiding problems is to develop preventative programs. And that's where the Fats, Oil, and Grease program that the City of Tempe is developing really fits in nicely. It makes sure that the sewers are being maintained in such a way that they may not cause future problems that may even be more costly than implementing a program like this today.
Being able to take care of our core business and not worry about some of the things that we have to worry about, especially in this heavy regulatory environment in which we do, where we both have all types of government entities looking for more, asking for more, and wanting more. If there's an opportunity to help us out with that and say, we've got not only a solution to this problem, but a way for us to help you manage that problem, and let you concentrate on that thing that's great for everybody, and that's getting more customers in the door, making sales happen, and provide income for everybody, it's a much better thing than having to worry about some of those issues that just take away our time.
What the city's enabling me to do, in essence, is to be a better general manager and to make sure that my guest is always having the best experience possible.
Definitely gives you peace of mind, because by being a partnership with the city, they know what the compliance and the regulations are, so they're going to make sure that the company's doing that and they can help you be compliant.
I have a member friend that's in the Grease Cooperative, and he told me, frankly, he just sleeps better at night. He doesn't have to worry about scheduling his grease trap pumping. He also is always in compliance, and he saves money. So he frankly says he just sleeps better at night. We take great pride in trying to recycle and minimize our waste, which is just good for the environment, it's good for the city of Tempe, and it's just good for our community and our world.
You know, we're all looking ahead for the future. And so any way that we can do local stuff, that we can do organic, we can do something that's going to keep our environment clean and safe, we're behind 100%.
Tempe has always been an innovator and a leader of sustainability initiatives in the Valley and in the state of Arizona. It's important for us to be sustainable because it contributes to the economic, social, and environmental health of our city and our region, and it creates jobs.
It's all about finding a way to be great neighbors, be part of the community, what we can do to help out. And it's just been, we're always looking for that way to show that we are a true part of the community as opposed to just another restaurant on the corner.
We want our city to be clean. We want our city to be fresh, and we want to know people we are taking care of it. And in that sense, we know that that change is great, and that having a better city, a more beautiful city, not only for the eyes but also for the nose, is a wonderful thing.
The message it sends to restaurants is that the Fat Oils and Grease program is just triple bottom line. It will save you money, it will win you customers, and it will do the right thing for the environment.